Alright, so it rained a little bit last night and it's been nice and warm, and I figured it would be nothing but mud here. You can see all my footprints from the other day, back and forth, but it's actually, oh, it is a little bit spongy. But the next thing I want to do is I need to take the motor mount bolts out of the motor, and also I gotta get a wrench on the back of that motor mount bolt, because both of them have nuts on the back, which is unfortunate. But besides that, I need to get underneath. I need to jack the car up, get underneath, cut the exhaust, undo the transmission linkage, undo the drive shaft so it pulls out of the tail of the transmission. There's wiring going down the transmission, but I don't think I have to worry about that. The only reason I would have to worry about that is the way it's kept on the body. If there's anything on the body running through, I have to get rid of that. But I don't know if I'm up for it today. I might just wait until tomorrow or another day. It's kind of late. It's going on 3, and I'm usually out here early doing stuff. So I might just hold off on doing anything to this today. Alright, well, I decided to come out here after all. I wasn't feeling good this morning, so I waited a while, and now I'm out here tearing more stuff apart. Right now I'm tackling the booster and the brake cylinder. I've got it, I just undid the lines. Luckily they came out okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get all that out of there. That way it's just less shit we gotta worry about when we take the motor out. Little by little I'm getting everything I need off of this, and I've got a good system going, so I'm gonna have all my parts that I need. Oh, I need two hands for this. So until my next little update. Okay. That came off good.